Hello guys, today we are seeing a grain transporting truck. This truck is also preparing for our mayor to visit our factory. And this truck, same as the other video we are seeing, is a body on top of a chassis. This chassis is probably from a Sino truck. Same as the last one. In the front we can see the light and the cab and the brand of the tractor, the chassis. Here in the side we can see the total weight is 31,000 kilogram, which is 31 ton. Here is the indicator how you flip the cab when you need to repair or checking. To open the door we can see the entrance to the cab. Same, let's go to the inside and have a look. It still same like the other one, has a bed in the rear of the cab and two chairs in the front. We have those operation gear and the light on the top, and also with plastic. Oh, here we have the cotton channel to put the cotton in the full size, so you can have a closed space when you are sleeping or resting to cut the person inside with the outside lights. Good design. Okay, now we are getting off it and closing the door. Let's close it again. Okay, now it's better. Okay, in the rear we can see it's a body on top of the chassis. Let's have a look. You can see the black color is the chassis frame, and the yellow color is the body's frame. We always call it subframe because it's on top of the mainframe. The chassis frame, we call it mainframe. It's connecting each other with those bolt and nuts, and also with such device like this to make it stronger. All right. From the front, we can see there is a hydraulic oil tank, and also some hydraulic packs in the front. And also we can see a huge cylinder and also a huge wall in the front. At the bottom we have the special channel. Maybe this truck is pushing the grain off when you are needing to discharge it. Let's change to the other side, have a look. Side we can see another view. There is a modification platform to have another, I think, devices on the top, like the water tank in the other side. And here is a power pack, I think, for the hydraulic system. And there is also some devices. Here we can see more clear. It is to having a wall in the front and a bar in the rear. I think it's pushing it to make it have the discharging power. Get to the outside, we can see the left and right on the top has been covered by the steels, especially at the bottom of the body. Have those reinforcement plate. And here is the tire of the chassis, the wheels, rim, axle, suspension with huge springs with a lot of bolts and nuts. Here, wow. Here we have a rolling floor. I think that is made of rubber, and those rubbers can extend itself to the floor inside of the body. So you can load the cargo in, and then when you need to discharge it, the rear door would open by those hydraulic cylinders. So you can have your grains or cargo dumped to the rear side. Yeah, I think the rear door is hydraulic door. Okay. All right. I think that would be all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Have a nice day. Bye.